out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's look, I am going to be doing an Addison Rae inspired holiday makeup look. I was scrolling through my phone and I was wondering what look I should do, and I found myself coming across Addison Rae's Instagram page, and so I was just scrolling through her page and I saw that she went to an award show a couple weeks ago and I was super obsessed with the look. So I figured I would go ahead and do the makeup look, but I would do it more so on a budget. I personally never came across any of the makeup items that might have been used on Addison's face, but this is just going to be my take on what you can do with affordable makeup to get the same exact look. If you want to keep watching this video and figure out how to get the same exact look as Addison Rae, then please keep watching. So I am going to go in with my Infallible concealer. So it looks like Addison's eyeshadow consists of just one eyeshadow and maybe another one just to deepen up some of the crease, but I'm just gonna stick to the one and see where that gets me. I'm gonna go in with the Palladio Ultimate Pro Shadow Palette, and this palette has a bunch of matte brown shades, so I think this is going to be perfect for the look we're trying to achieve. I'm gonna go in with this lighter, this lighter brown shade that has more of a red tone to it because that looks very similar to the one Addison has on her eyes, and I'm just going to spread this throughout my entire eyelid. I'm going to dip into these two shades and just put them throughout the crease. Now that my foundation is completely done, I'm going to go ahead and just add some blush to my cheek. So the picture I'm looking at of Addison, it doesn't really look like she has much blush on, so I'm going to select this more neutral blush tone. I am going to go in with my Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows really quickly. Next, I'm going to go in with my Jade highlighter palette, and Addison does look like she is wearing very subtle highlight, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone, my tear duct, a little bit of my nose, and my cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with this Makeup Revolution setting spray. I like to put highlighter on when my face is a little damp, just because I feel like it sticks a little better to the skin. So I love to put on highlighter when my face is a little damp. So that original shade we went in with on our eyelids, I'm gonna go ahead and place that on my lower lash line because Addison does have mascara and a little bit of shadow under her eyes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing. Also, I usually always put a white liner in my waterline, but Addison does not have white on at all in her picture. It looks like they did go in with maybe just a nude liner, and I cannot find mine anywhere, so I'm just going to go ahead and lightly put a white liner in my waterline because I can't go without it, so that is what I am going to do. Of course, this would happen. I am gonna go in with that same eyeshadow that I used on my lash line, and I am going to make a small little cat eye in the inner part of my eye. Addison also has very fluffy eyebrows, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Glossier Brow Gel. So this is the final makeup look. I think it turned out so pretty. I could definitely see myself wearing the eye makeup every single day. I'm not too crazy about the red lip with the red dress. I just tried to pair a similar dress I had to the one Addison wore. She wore a black and red long gown, so this is the only one I had in my closet, so I just quickly threw that on. Other than that, this makeup look is really achievable with any neutral brown shade palette that you may have laying around. And if you also have any red bold lips just laying around, you could definitely go ahead and just throw that on, and you have an Addison RAE inspired makeup look that is really affordable. So I hope you guys like this makeup look. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.